The liberty of the individual is subject to social changes. Full stop. Today, what we see is that some persons or some elements try to impinge upon this liberty in this house, against whom the blackmailers tried to level some false allegations for their own political reasons. Full stop. Sir, you will agree on this point because as an honorable member, almost every one of us might have passed through that phase. Full stop. That is why every one of us feels that today a trend of leveling allegations against anyone has developed, and it is not the duty of that person to give facts and figures to prove the allegations. Full stop. After making allegations, he stands all apart. Full stop. Proof of innocence is the onus on that person against whom allegations have been made, even if they are false. Full stop. It is not the duty of that person who has made allegations and who thinks himself to be the champion of the rights of freedom to prove that the allegations leveled by him are justified. Full stop. When he is not able to prove his allegation, how can he be kept out of the purview of the law? Question mark. Close.